Hi students, good morning. Today is the last class about definite integration, last part. Previous JEE questions 2020, previous JEE questions 2020 questions we are going discussing here. Question number here, integration minus pi to plus pi mod of pi minus mod x dx equal to option A root 2 pi square, option B 2 pi square, option C pi square, option D pi square by 2. Yes, here mod is there, we should eliminate the mod. Okay, it is changing, and before that we check the limits. Here limits both have same limits and having opposite sign, so in such case we should verify whether it is even or odd. Tell me, f of x is equal to mod of pi minus mod x, f of minus x equal to pi minus of mod of minus x, pi minus of mod of minus x is mod x, so this is equal to f of x. F of minus x equal to f of x, that means even function it is. If it is even, we can write 2 into integration of 0 to pi mod of pi minus mod x dx. Yes, in 0 to pi mod is positive, then mod x is x. 2 into integration of 0 to pi pi minus x dx. Then in this interval, if 0 to pi it is, so this is below pi x is, so below pi x is means pi minus, here small value this smaller than this, then we will get positive, because 0 to pi take one value here 1, pi minus 1 is positive. If it is positive, the mod x is positive, 0 to pi pi minus x dx, pi minus x dx. So 2 into pi integration is pi x, x integration x square by 2, limits 0 to pi, 2 into pi pi square minus pi square by 2, lower limit is 0, pi square minus pi square by 2 equal to pi square by 2, get cancel, which is equal to pi square. This is the answer. Understood here? When the mod is there, we should eliminate the mod function. Next one is the value of the integral integration of 0 to 1 by 2 x square by 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 2 is dx is equal to k by 6. Then what is the k value? K value here, option A 2 root 3 minus pi, option B 2 root 3 plus pi, option C 3 root 2 plus pi, option D 3 root 2 minus pi. Okay, this is by how can find this integration? By substitution method. Let x is equal to sin theta, 1 minus x square if there means let x is equal to sin theta, dx is equal to cos theta into d theta. Lower and upper limit will be changed. If you put x is equal to 0, then theta also 0. X is equal to 1 by 2, then theta is equal to pi by 6. X sin square theta dx equal to cos theta into d theta. 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta whole power 3 by 2. Get cancel here. Cos cube theta. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta, cos theta by cos cube theta is cos square theta. So integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta by cos square theta equal to tan square theta d theta. Tan square theta integration, tell me, secant square theta minus 1, like this we can find. So secant square theta integration tan theta, 1 integration is theta, limits 0 to pi by 2, right? pi by 6, pi by 6, pi by 6. Tan of pi by 6, tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3 minus theta is pi by 6 equal lower limit 0 0, which is equal to the given k by 6, which is equal to k by 6. So 6 transpose this side, k is equal to 6 by root 3 minus 6 into pi by 6, get cancel. 6 we can write 3 into 2 by root 3, 3 by root 3 equal 2 root 3, 2 root 3 minus pi, k is equal to 2 root 3 minus pi. This is next one is, let f of x equals mod of x minus 2, g of x equal to f of x, x belongs to close interval 0 comma 4, integration of 0 to 3 g of x minus f of x dx equals option A 1, option B 0, option C 3 by 2, option D 1 by 2. Now this is given f of x, this is g of x equal to f of x. The x is less between 0 to 4, that is the interval, okay, but here given interval 0 to 3 only. So first of all we have to make this function g of x and f of x. Tell me the f of x equal to mod of x minus 2, okay. When x is greater than 2, it is a positive, then x minus 2. When x is less than 2, it is a negative, so minus of x minus 2, minus of x minus 2. Now coming to the g of x equal to f of x, f of, what is f of x here? Mod of x minus 2, which is equal to f of x, this is mod of x minus 2 is this is, right. When x is greater than 2 here, when x is greater than 2 here, f of x substitute here, okay. When x is greater than 2, the mod of x minus 2 is positive here, in place of this right here x minus 2 and minus 2, so we will get x minus 4. Understood? Got a point? Next, this is mod here, mod of f of x in place of x right here. When you write place of x here, x minus 2 and minus 2, x minus 4, right, mod. Next, in place of x right here, x minus 2, in place of 2 here, less than 2. When x is less than 2 here, okay, minus of x minus 2, that means 2 minus x. In 2 minus, in place of x right here, 2 minus x means x minus 2, x plus 2 get cancelled, minus x, this is. So here we got it, mod of x minus 4 when x is greater than 2, okay. When x is, so direct we can write x minus 4 here. When x is less than 2, this is mod of minus x means minus x. So we want in 1 to 2 here, 2 above 2 x minus 2, this is g of x and this is f of x. So both here add, subtract here g of x minus f of x equal to, tell me if it is above 2, this is g of x, x minus 4, this is x minus 2. So x minus 4 minus x minus 2, tell me x minus 4 minus x minus 2, and below 2 this is negative, subtract here minus x and minus of minus, they are this one plus 2 plus minus of minus plus x minus 2, this get cancelled, right. Here x get cancelled here, minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 into x greater than 2, sorry if, and minus 2 minus minus plus here, plus x minus 2 when x is less than 2. So we got the function here. So integration, this is, we have to apply integration 0 to 3 g of x minus f of x dx. Okay, g of x, integration of 0 to 3 g of x minus f of x dx. But here given 2, below 2 and above 2, that means 0 to 2 is below 2, next 2 to 3 above 2. We can split like this, 0 to 2 and 2 to 3. 0 to 2 interval is minus 6, 2 to 3 means below 2, sorry, above 2 is minus 6, 0 to 2 means below 2 is minus 2 dx. Substitute the integration, we will get the value. Understood? Here 0 to 2 means below 2 is minus 2 dx plus 2 to 3 minus 6 dx. Find this integration, you get the answer. Next, f is be a twice differentiable function. Twice differentiable function on open interval 1 comma 6. If f of 2 equal to 8, f dash of 2 equal to 5, f dash of x greater than or equal to 1, f double dash of x greater than or equal to 4, for all x belongs to open 1 comma 6, then options A, f of 5 plus f dash of 5 greater than or equal 28, option B, f dash of 5 plus f double dash of 5 less than or equal 20, option C, f of 5 less than or equal 10, option D, f of 5 plus f dash of 5 less than or equal to 26. So this is, here they given f is twice differentiable function on open interval 1 comma 6, f dash of 2 equal to 5, f double dash of x greater than or equal to 4, f dash of x greater than or equal to 1. Check, this is f dash of 2 equal to 5. This is given here, and one more here, f dash of x greater than or equal to 1. Understood? Let me apply integration on both side. Integration on both side. So f dash of x greater than or equal to 1, integration of 1 dx here, dx. Limits, what we have to take? The limits are 2 to 5, because 2 value we know, 5 value is there in the option. Okay, we will get it in form of 5. Then 2 already is given, 8 don't know. So 2 is given, f of 2 given 8, f dash of 2 given 5, both are given. Okay, so 2 to 5 you take it, apply limits 2 to 5. This is getting idea from the options, 5 are there, everything here, 5, 5, 5. Given option is, inside is, domain is 2, here 5. 2 and 5 are there in this interval. So that's why you have to apply 2 to 5. 2 to 5, integration of f dash x dx is f of x limits 2 to 5 greater than or equal to x limits 2 to 5. Apply here f of 5 upper limit minus lower limit 5 minus 2 3. F of 5 don't know, let it be. F of 2 given, f of 2 is 8. Okay, 5 minus 2 3. So f of 5 greater than 8 plus 3 11. F of 5 greater than 8 plus 3 11. Right, we got one equation here. Next, coming to this, f double dash of x greater than or equal to 4, apply integration again here, dx, limit same 2 to 5, f integration of f double dash x is f dash x 2 to 5 greater than or equal to 4, x limits 2 to 5. Upper limit f dash of 5 minus f dash of 2, 4, 5 minus 2, 4 into 3, 12. F dash of 5 greater than or equal to 12, f dash of 2 is 5. Transpose that side. 12 plus 5, 17. So f dash of 5 greater than or equal to 17. This is the second equation. Now f of 5 is greater than 11, f dash of 5 greater than 17. Add both. F of 5 plus f dash of 5 greater than or equal to 11 plus 17. 11 plus 17, how much? 11 plus 17. How much is? 21 plus 1, 28. Greater than or equal to 28. This is the option right. Some questions we can get idea by seeing the options only. So for that we need to solve this, we need the options. By seeing the options we can solve. Next question is integration minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 1 by 1 plus e power sin x dx. 1 by 1 plus e power sin x dx. Let this is I is neither even nor odd. Okay. Use property integration of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 1 by 1 plus e power sin of minus x minus sin x dx. Integration of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, in place of x, right, sum of the limits minus x, 1 by 1 plus 1 by e power sin x dx, which is equal to integration of 0 to pi, it comes up e power sin x by 1 plus e power sin x dx. The equation 2, this is equation 1. Add both 1 plus 2, left side I plus I is 2i, integration minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, both add here, denominator is same, 1 plus e power sin x, numerator 1 plus e power sin x. This is get cancel here. So integration of 1 dx is x, limits minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, upper limit pi by 2 minus lower limit is minus pi by 2, pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is pi. So 2i is equal to pi, therefore I is equal to pi by 2. I is equal to pi by 2. This is the third option, C. Next one, I1 equals integration of 0 to 1, 1 minus x power 50 whole power 100 dx. I2 equal to integration of 0 to 1, 1 minus x power 50 whole power 101 dx. And I2 equal to alpha into I1, then alpha equal to A option 5049 by 5050, B option 5050 by 5049, C option 5050 by 5051, D option 5051 by 5050. Alpha equal to, here alpha is nothing but I2 by I1, I2 by I1. Alpha is nothing but I2 by I1. Alpha I2 equal alpha I1, then alpha equal I2 by I1. I2 is integration of 0 to 1, 1 minus x power 50 s whole power 101. So can I write like this? Whole power 1 and 1 minus x power 50 whole power 100 dx. Yes. Integration of 0 to 1, 1 into this 1 minus x power 50 whole power 100 dx, minus 0 to 1 this into this x power 50 into 1 minus x power 50 whole power 100 dx. Yes, this is equal to I1 minus this is this derivative here 1 minus x power 50 derivative is here. Understood? Got a point? Let 1 minus x power 50 equal to t, or you can solve direct also. Integration 0 to 1 x into x power 49, okay, into 1 minus x power 50 whole power 100. This derivative 1 minus x power 50. If you get confused, better you take the t only. Let 1 minus x power 50 equal to t. Then 50 minus 50 x power 49 dx equal to dt. Tell me here, this we can write x into x power 49. X power 49 dx. X power 49 dx equal to dt. 1 minus x power 50 equal t power 100. Understood? And x is there. X means, so convert into that formula, very difficult. So direct I am going to solve here. X into x power 49. Yes. Product rule I am going to apply here. This is x and this is x power 49. 1 minus x power 50 whole power 100 by this derivative 50 not there, multiply by 50 here. So this is the first function. This integration we know, so this is we don't know, both we know, but this is better. Instead of finding differentiation, this is better. This is first function, you take u and this is v. Then I1 I2 equal to I1 minus uv. U is x, right? This derivative here, integration of this 1 minus x power f of x whole power n, derivative is here 50 x power 49. Okay, so f of x whole power n into f dash x dx equal to f of x whole power n plus 1. 1 minus x power 50 whole power 100 plus 1, 101 by 50 already there, 101. 50 already there. Okay, apply limits here 0 to 1 minus integration of 0 to 1, x derivative is 1 and this derivative here, integration is this one. 1 minus x power 50 whole power 101 by 50 into 101. Yes, this is I2 equal to I1. Apply upper limit here, 1 minus 1 0, lower limit also 0 minus integration here 0 to 1. 1 by 50 into 101, take it, integration of 0 to 1, 1 minus x power 50 whole power 101 is equal to I2. This is I2. Finish. I2 transpose this side, 1 plus 1 by 50 into 101 equal to I1. So we want I2 by I1 equal to, tell me here, 50 into 101 comes up, 50 into 101 plus 1. So 50 into 101, how much? 5050. So this is multiply and verify the answer. Next one is integration of 1 to 2 e power x power x 2 plus log x base e dx equal to option A 4e into 4e plus 1, like that, option B, option C. It is not necessary option, directly we can get it. Okay, this is a very easy question. 1 to 2 e power x, this is taken inside 2 into x power x log x. Integration of 1 to 2 e power x, this can I write like this, x power x plus x power x log x dx. Integration of 1 to 2 e power x, this is the x power x, take common in this, x power x take common, 1 plus log x dx. So this is derivative is here, d by dx of x power x derivative is x power x into 1 plus log x. So this is the f of x and this is the f dash x. So this derivative is here. So tell me, integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x into f of x. So e power x into x power x, limits 1 to 2. Apply here, upper limit e square into 2 square is 4 minus lower limit is e. So this is 4e square minus e. E can take common here, you will get 4e minus 1, that is the answer. Next one is integration of 0 to 2 pi sine power 8x x by sine power 8x plus cos power 8x dx. X is there. In x is there means in numerator we have to eliminate by using property. Let I, this is I is equal 0 to 2 pi. In place of x write 2 pi minus x. Sin 2 pi minus x is sin x. Sin power 8x, cos power 2 pi minus x is cos x, because the power is positive, even number, so positive. 2 pi integration 0 to 2 pi sin power 8x by sin power 8x plus cos power 8x dx minus 0 to 2 pi x into sin power 8x sin power 8x plus cos power 8x dx. This is the I. So I is equal 2I. This is by property 0 to 2a, it satisfied. To f of 2 pi minus x equal to f of x here. 2 comes here. 2 into 0 to pi sin power 8x dx by sin power 8x plus cos power 8x, which is equal to I. I plus I, 2I. Equal 2 into 2, 4 pi. Again this we can write 2 into pi by 2, 2 comes down here, 0 to pi by 2 sin power 8x dx by sin power 8x plus cos power 8x. Okay, these 2 get cancelled, which is equal 4, 5. You know this is standard formula, 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx by sin power nx plus cos power nx equal to pi by 4. Get cancelled, the answer is pi square, answer is pi square. Okay. Then I am giving homework, that is you try yourself. Integration of find the alpha value 4 alpha integration of minus 1 to 2 e power minus alpha mod x dx equal to 5. Then alpha equal to a log of root 2 base e, b log 2 base e, c log of 3 by 2 base e, d log of 4 by 3 base e. This is, try yourself. First you can split it, minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 1, 2. Why? Because mod x changing, below 0 negative, above 0 positive. So that's why you split the interval minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 2, then simplify it.